Roger, come quickly. The minister's been shot.
Wait a minute. Blood. It's the minister's blood. Minister! Who's done... Oh, sorry. Ethel, call on the phone an ambulance to save him now. On the minister's desk, you'll find the phone. Just do it, goddamn you!
Of course.
Explosion? Are you there?
Yes! Yes, I am, my old comrade.
Who did this to you?
Who did this to you?
The Admiral. It was the Admiral.
The Admiral. I.E.
I'm failing explosion. The Admiral has top secret plans for a magic bomb that will destroy all world leaders. He's at these coordinates.
No!
Thank you. Goodbye. The ambulance is on its way, Roger.
Oh, Ethel, it's too dead for an ambulance. He's late.
The Admiral, your magic bomb.
I know. Admiral and his magic bomb are to blame. I'll get them for this. Do you hear me? This!
Roger, you're too emotionally involved.
Don't try and stop me, Ethel. I'm mad and plenty of it.
We have to get to the Admiral's secret hideout at the core of the Earth before the world leaders are killed.
Yes!
Roger, look out!
That was close. Quick, Ethel, let's avenge the minister's death.
Explosion?
Somebody mention my name? Buto! I might have known it was you. Are you all right, Admiral?
No explosion, I'm over here.
What? There can't be two of you?
Cyborgs explosion. Exact replicoids of the world's leaders. A robot army.
Aye, thousands of them.
Time to die, my friend.
Then it's later than I think. Quick, Admiral, let's get out of here.
My cyborgs!
Well, Explosion, you saved the world from Buto's evil robots, rescued the Admiral, destroyed the magic bomb, and brought me back to life. Well done.
We gotta get